So after a short wait, Bundoora Boat Upholstery have sent us this, which we're going to now start unboxing and look at installation on the Haines. So every panel's got to be done with acetone and carefully checked, measured and then installed. It'll be a process. There you go. The big jigsaw puzzle. So we've acetoned a number of pieces, and now becomes the fun part of test fitting it all. Plan is to do the top deck for a start, and then we'll look at the floor once we get past that.
Hold this back, walk, roll your toes in, toes, 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 hang on.
So we're down to the last panel, just acetoning now. The big logo, which we're pretty excited about. And God help us, we'll be finished. We're just fitting up the very last panel now, which is going to take some doing.
Just don't
the bits and pieces. And yeah. So, after 2 sessions and all the hard work by my darling, this is our end result. So, big thanks to the guys at Bundoora Boat Upholstery. Crazy job. Really happy with it, and I'm sure we'll prove that not only has increased the value of the boat, but just so user friendly for us. Warm the boat in the winter time, soft and quiet. Just got to put its name cleat back on, and we are done. So yeah, there you go. That's us installing the SeaDek. Obviously we're a bit different than everybody else because we're based in Tassie, so we don't have any installers down here. But this is the second boat we've done, so we have got a fair bit of experience in doing it. As I said, the guys at Bundoora Boat Upholstery have been amazing. Thank you, Aldrin, for your help, and focus on getting exactly what we want in terms of design and everything else. We couldn't be happier. with how it's coming out. So yeah, there you go. Highly recommend it to everybody. Get out there, get your SeaDek done with Bandura boat upholstery. Cheers.